Okay, I got a regular plug instead of using this air compressor drain. Like I said, that was just temporary. I got an actual plug. I also got the 90-degree silicone rubber boot. I already cut it down. Both legs were this long, but I cut this down because obviously I'm not going to need the whole thing there. So it'll go on here, go on there, hose clamp, and you see it doesn't fit perfectly. It's a little big, but I ordered for the external header pipe size. So what I'm going to do is take this pipe off, and I'm just going to put a piece of the header on here at an angle. It's bigger, so it's not going to be a restriction, and because they didn't have a standard inch size down to an oddball metric size for this, so I figured I'd just do that. No big deal. You won't even hardly see it anyway, so not that it's a beauty queen or anything, but got to do that, and then I'll have boost to the engine. And I just got to get the oil side done, and then we can run this thing.